Today, we are going to draw a palm tree. Step 1. Draw one straight line and then one curved line starting from the top. Time for 2 more leaves, but this time, curve first, then a straight line. Another 2 leaves. Let's follow the same pattern. Now, let's make the trunk. Draw 3 straight lines. Let's give it a cute smiley face. Last step. Let's draw wavy lines across the trunk. Good job! It's time to color now. Let's take a green crayon and draw some lines on the leaves. Now, color the leaves a light green. Finally, grab your brown crayon and color the trunk. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.